Hey, John Crestani here, and in today's affiliate network walkthrough, I'm going to be going over a network that specializes in Russian and German offers that you can sell online and get paid lots of money, and you can sign up anywhere in the world. You can be any age. This doesn't require any money to do, and you can get paid by this affiliate network. Now, I'll be going into the affiliate network. I'll be walking you through all of the ins and outs of how this affiliate network works, exactly how you get paid, and I'll also be going over some terms that you may not know about affiliate marketing, including SOI, restrictions, and intent. So stay tuned. Let's get into this walkthrough. Looking forward to showing you the inside scoop into CPAMatica. Let's get it. Okay, I know you guys love it, so I'm just going to do it. But we brought out the money gun, right? Okay, the money, let me clear all this money up. So let's get into this affiliate network walkthrough of CPAMatica. So here I am on the homepage of it. You can see they're an active affiliate network, very active in Europe. So if you are looking to promote offers, if you're looking to make money online, if you're looking to not invest any money and get paid money online, then you can do that with CPAMatica, and you can earn big money with this. And everything, by the way, I'll be going through. I've done in-depth analyses into these affiliate networks. You can walk through this with me by going to johncrestani.com/networks. And you can pause the screen right here, open this up on another tab. For those of you watching on mobile phones, I suggest flip it to landscape. I know you love reading the comments. And also, I would suggest you go on a desktop computer. But I have all of these networks listed out here, as along with I've listed out the beginner networks, and I've tried to do as quantitative of analysis of each of these networks as possible to help you understand what is going to be the best affiliate network for you, or best affiliate networks. You should belong to multiple to sell products through. I believe everybody should be an affiliate in the world. I believe everybody has products they recommend or niches that they talk about. So everybody should be an affiliate marketer for some product, even if it's just Netflix or a movie or Amazon stuff. So here we are here, and I already registered. Again, now this network, one side note, is that they require approval. So you will see that there are no countries excluded. So even if you're in any weird country, I have followers from all over the world. Shout out your country, by the way, in the comments. Shout out the country. They have 783 offers, and they do require offer approval. But let's just dive into the network. So here we are on the main page of the network. You can see they have a lot of dating offers right here. Let's zoom in on that. But you can also see that these offers are listed with the country that they're in. So RU is Russia, DE is Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. Nigeria, you can make money getting people to help them date in Nigeria. US, France, Belgium, all over the world. So this is one of the really good things about this network. And you'll notice that you can see it says SOI next to them. So that's the first thing I'm going to explain here. So SOI, what does SOI mean? SOI means single opt-in, okay? Which means that a user, when they sign up for this dating site, they are going to have to opt in, and you get paid on a single opt-in. Now, that's not to be confused with DOI, which is double opt-in. And again, it's going to be a little trickier to get. You're gonna get less conversions if you're doing double opt-in than single opt-in, simply because not everybody's going to check their email and approve the email. So again, they're looking for higher quality traffic if you do DOI, but usually you'll make more, okay? So that's just to explain that. Now, let's look into how this works. So in order to find offers on this network, you'll go over here to the offers tab right over there, and you'll see this network has quite a few offers, over 700 different offers throughout the network. I can set this to show me 100 offers at a time, and we just see lots of stuff here. Now, you'll notice that a lot of these are dating or even porn related, right? Strip chat, we can see the landing page. If we click that button, you know, I'm over 18, and I'm just probably going to have this entire screen censored. But the point is, it's a webcam thing, and lots of people love webcams and watching girls on webcams. And as you'll see, if you can get somebody to try out and watch some girls on a webcam, you will get $3.64. Okay, you'll see this offer. They have to double opt in, meaning they not only have to sign up, but they have to confirm their email address, and you will get $3.60. You think you can find anybody in any of the countries there that are interested in watching naked girls or guys on webcams? I'm sure there are a few people out there, right? Now, as you saw, I previewed the link through here. Let's look at some other sites. So let's look at this site called CDate that takes traffic from Argentina. Okay, again, I'm going to click the I button to preview the landing page. So this would be the page that you would be sending people to in order to make money. Now, here we go. I guess it's showing up for US for me, but I'm assuming that it would look something like this, just in, yeah, there we go, in Spanish, if you're promoting in Argentina. So it's saying, am I a boy or a girl? Do I like boys or girls, etc. And you get somebody to sign up, and then they have to go through some questions, it looks like, I don't know what this is saying, but whatever it is that I guess it's asking me for, let's fill out some dummy information. Point being, you get people to fill out all their information and sign up for webcams or dating and whatnot, and you get paid. Now, payouts always vary by country. You'll see in Argentina, you only get 20 cents if somebody signs up. Whereas if you can get somebody to sign up to date in Belgium, it's $1.60. You get somebody to sign up in Switzerland, and you get $7. So the country people are from and the country you decide to market to is really going to determine how much money you make from each individual conversion. So if you are, let's say you're using some of my messaging free traffic methods. By the way, all my free traffic methods are available in links in the description. They're available through this link, this page right here. If you're using one of my messaging methods to get people, you can only hit up so many people a day. You can only get probably so many signups in a day because you're sending out 100 messages, let's say. So you might want to focus on more expensive countries like people in Switzerland, people in the US, people in Germany, etc., depending on whatever language you know. So let's move on. Now let's move on to actually looking into one of these offers so you can understand how to promote products. So let's look at Austria, right? Big money right here. We have Austrians with €8.80. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the actual offer itself, not the preview link, to see what's going on. So that brings us to what we call the offer card in affiliate marketing. And we see status available, but you'll also notice that we have a bunch of other information, okay? So what we're seeing over here is it says prohibited traffic types. This is also known as restrictions, and I'll go over incent in a second here. So you'll see that it says incent and cashback traffic is forbidden. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is incent? It says pop traffic is forbidden, brand traffic is forbidden, search traffic is forbidden, Facebook traffic is forbidden. So you might be thinking, what does all this mean? How do I get my links out there? This is all different types of ways that people do affiliate marketing. Incent means you are incentivizing somebody to sign up. Now, the reason why incent traffic would be forbidden is because basically you're telling somebody, you say, hey, I'll give you a free ebook on how to date women online. I'll give you a free ebook which goes over the top 10 pickup lines that work every time without fail to get women, to not only get women interested in talking to you, but to make them dying to get to know you and be with you forever. So, you know, people will do stuff like that. Say, hey, sign up for this dating site. Just opt in and I'll give you a free ebook, right? And that would get a lot of people signing up for a dating site, but would it mean they necessarily go on and become buyers of whatever the dating site is? Because of course, this dating site, there's always a paid version of things. So of course not. If somebody's signing up because they want a free ebook, they're not signing up because they actually want to use the dating site itself. And that's one of the types of affiliate marketing that is done. I will be going into all of these other types of traffic in other videos, but that gives you an idea of what incent is, okay? Now let's look over here. So we see under here, it says goals. This is very interesting. And this will determine, depending on who you're messaging or what type of people you're talking to, it just gives you a good idea of how you might want to do your ads or how you might want to target your messages. So now you'll notice here that under goals, we see that if you get somebody who's 18 years old to sign up from an Android device, you only get $1 or €1.80. Okay, so these are the least, again, because most Android users have less money and 18-year-olds don't have a lot of money. Whereas the honeypot market is where we see if you get 50-year-olds or 60-year-olds signing up that use iOS, Apple, iPhones, that's what iOS means, you're going to get a cool $8.80. So what this tells us is that an iPhone user that's 55 years old is what is that, like 3-4 times more valuable than a young Android user to this company. And this company will pay you accordingly. So again, this is good information to understand if you're going out there and using some of my free traffic methods. Once again, my free traffic methods are all under my channel. Make sure, by the way, subscribe, like, and comment. And let me know if you enjoy these affiliate marketing walkthroughs. I'm trying to keep each one fresh for you. Let me know if this is helpful or if there's something else you would like to learn about these affiliate networks themselves. Now, I keep hearing you in the comments area saying we want more free traffic videos. But honestly, guys, I've done all of the free traffic methods that in my 11 years of affiliate marketing, I can think of. And I've even done ones that I had to really work hard to come up with. There was an email video
show you in this video.
All of these methods are the free traffic methods. So I just don't want to repeat myself over and over again because I know you want more free traffic, but at the end of the day, these are the methods. They're all right here for you guys. There really aren't other free traffic methods. And if anybody knows any more free traffic methods who's been a subscriber for a while, let me know and I'll try it out. But I've done this for 11 years and this is what I've been painstakingly able to come up with. So I say check them out if that's what you're interested in. Now, in order to get access to this offer and have your own affiliate link generated so that you can start earning this money over here using my free traffic methods, money for nothing, folks, you need to click activate, that button right there. And after you click activate, you'll see that the status will turn to pending and will eventually be approved by an affiliate manager once you get in. Okay, now I go over some tips in my network sheet about how to get approved to networks. Right here under the resources tab, you can see the resources tab right here. And then you would look under here, how to get started as an affiliate. I put together a document for you that explains how you can, at least make it easier to get accepted as an affiliate by affiliate networks. Now, for my full list of resources, I suggest you go here for free traffic methods. This link is associated with my free traffic methods, the resource guide, giving you exact templates that you can use to promote my product online, so you don't even have to think about what to write. Maybe English is not your first language. Maybe you don't think you're good at marketing. And this will help you figure out exactly what to write if you want to be an affiliate of my program. Also, to see all of the networks that I've currently done reviews on, go to this place, johncrestani.com/networks, and you can click all of the links over here to sign up for all of these affiliate networks. I suggest you sign up for as many as you possibly can, and you'll get approved by some, so you can start marketing and start making money from the internet. Again, my goal is to help you make money from the internet. I hope you enjoy this channel. If you want to see more videos, I'm starting to do live streams every Monday. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment. I'd love to get to know you. I'd love to hear your feedback. Talk to you soon. Bye.